What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, you guys. It is almost 4 in the morning, and I could not sleep, so I decided to get up and clean this closet out. I don't start work until 10 o'clock, so I have plenty of time to do it. A lot of this stuff is getting trashed. I don't even know why I still have it. Clothes in the closet that I don't really wear. Well, most of this over here I wear this, but the pants and stuff I really don't wear, and these are just sets, but I'm going to organize it because it's just so irritating right now. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm about to go downstairs and get some big trash bags because I'm throwing a lot of stuff away. And I ordered some little clear shoe shelves. I have to go to the Amazon locker to pick them up. And then I ordered some little things for these purses, but I don't know what I'm going to do with those, you guys, honestly. I might just leave them in the bins and put them on the floor when I get some of this stuff out of here. It looks like a whole lot, but it's really not, but it's just not organized. And I know I need to get rid of some of this stuff, especially this stuff right here. Bags of stuff that I've had that I didn't want to throw away, like bags and bags, like this bull crap. Anyway, you guys, let me go downstairs and get these trash bags and I'll be back. You guys, I'm basically going through stuff that I had bagged up when I kind of straightened out the closet the last time. And, oh, excuse my voice, you guys, I'm a little bit hoarse. I was watching something I did with my grandson and we were yelling at it. But anyway, I'm just basically going through bags that I had bagged up. And it was neat until I tried to go looking for something. And I'm just going through this stuff and I'm just throwing stuff away. I had bags in bags, like Christmas bags that I didn't even use this Christmas. And I think they were bags that were previously used anyway. So you see me throwing a whole bunch of stuff away. Some I'm not, like that little Gucci bag I just threw out. I broke the strap to it. And I thought it was just a strap, but it was just the thing that the strap connects to. So that's no good. But you're going to see me basically getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff that I really do not need. Don't need it all, you guys. And in this process, I'm going to just be doing my closet today. But I know sometime later in next week, I'm going to be going through my drawers because I have drawers that I haven't been in a very long time, a very, very long time. So, and I need to get rid of some of this stuff because I don't even know why I'm holding on to it, but I do need to get rid of it. And there's stuff in my closet that I haven't worn in years. And I did get rid of a lot of stuff that's, well, not really a lot, but enough because what I did was I took my winter stuff out of my other closet in the other room and brought it in this closet. So it basically had the stuff that I actually have been wearing. And then I bought new stuff that I've been wearing. So that's what's in this closet right here. But, yeah, this is going to be a journey. I have to go through my drawers and get all the shirts and stuff that I haven't worn in a very long time. Get those out, put them in the pile, take them to Goodwill. And then I have to I have 4 big bins full of pajamas that's in my husband's closet because I didn't have room in my closet for him. So I have to decide which pajamas I want to get rid of. And that's hard because I really love my pajamas. And every time I go through that bin, I think I'm going to get rid of something and I don't. But this time, for real, I'm going to get rid of something. If it's just one pajama set, I'm getting rid of it. And then what after that? Then I'll go in the guest room because I have a dresser set in there. And I have pajamas in there and some clothes and stuff. And it's a lot of stuff that I don't wear. Again, I need to get rid of some of this stuff. It's really just irritating me. And once I finish doing all the clothes and stuff, I'm going to do my under the cabinet in our bathrooms. I went to Walmart to get the clear storage bins, storage shelves for that, but they didn't have them. They just had the individual ones, and it's more economical for me to get the one that has all the different sizes in it. So I didn't get that, so I decided I'm just going to work on my closet and the drawers, and that's my Stiller stuff. I'm not getting rid of nothing Stillers. And the sad part is I really ain't been into football this year, but I really haven't worn any of that stuff. So Super Bowl is coming up and we have all these little playoff games and stuff. So I'm going to start wearing my stuff, you guys. More Stiller stuff. No, that was the, what is that alcohol called? That come in that little cloth thing. Crown Royal. I have all the different color Crown Royal things. I collected it from my customers and friends because I was going to do something with them, make little bags and stuff. Ain't did shit with it yet, y'all. And been having them for years. Damn shame. Okay, but anyway, you guys, watching me throw stuff away and just watch me. I'm just, it's 3 something in the morning. Bear with me. Couldn't sleep, so I got up to do this. Now I'm just, yeah. I'm getting rid of some stuff. That's for dang on sure. And there I go, putting bags in bags again. Okay, you guys, I made some headway. I took some pants out. That's going to go to Goodwill. Kept the shirts right here. Kept this right here. This. And took some clothes from over here. It's going to Goodwill. Now I have this space for my little shoe rack. But, I got to go through these bins to see which shoes I don't wear anymore. And it's a lot of them that's going to Goodwill. And this stuff, I got to go through. Well, you guys saw these ones already. But this trash, I got to go through this and see. But most of this is basically trash. So let me get to it. Ain't nothing but to do it. And you guys, that bag right there is nothing but a bag full of socks. Socks. And I'm taking out all my Steelers socks too. But socks. At this point, you guys, I'm wondering why in the heck did I get up and start doing this? I could have been watching a movie. But the reward is going to be so good getting it organized. Although it doesn't look like it, I did make some progress. Okay, that's trash. All this is trash. That's donating stuff. The shoes for these boxes are downstairs. Massage thing. I think I'm gonna donate these because I can't fit them and they light up, so I'm gonna donate them. Here's all the shoes that was downstairs in the basket. They go in these boxes. I'm breathing hard because I just took all the trash downstairs. Let me let you guys see my progress. Okay. Woo. Put those in the box. Then put them in the closet. Okay. 5 something in the morning and doing this crap. You guys, I apologize for the quality of this video. I was recording with my camera and the light kept going off. No. I was recording with my cell phone and then the light kept acting up. So, and my camera, the battery wasn't charged. And I was just like over it. I said, I'll just do it with this dang on phone. And did. Okay, you guys, I am done. All I have to do is go pick up the little shoe boxes, the clear shoe box things that go in my closet. I'll do that tomorrow after I finish my customers. And then put some shoes in there. The shoes that's in that bin over there. In it. And I'm tired, you guys. I'm tired. I don't know what's going on with my sleeping. But the last couple of days, I've only slept about probably like 6 or 7, maybe 8 at the most. But I fall asleep. And then I kind of feel myself not breathing. Like my asthma started acting up, so I wake up and then I'm just woke. So with that being said, I'm about to get off this phone and get off the phone like I'm talking to you guys on the phone. But I am recording with my phone. I'm about to stop recording and I'll get back with you guys later on today. Okay, you guys, it is now that same morning, but later in the morning. It's like 10 something, and my husband is putting the shoe box organizer thingy together. I was really gonna try to do it myself, but since he was home, I let him do the honor, and he did a good job. Shoes that were up there, they're now in here. And what I may end up doing is getting another one of these. But I need to count because only 12 pairs of shoes fit. I probably need 2 more of them. And I'll do it like that and I'll put the shoes on the top shelf. Yeah. Because 2 of them can go 1, 2 right on that top shelf. And then this shelf will be totally empty. And I'll take my handbags out of these bins so they'll look decent. But got the closet done. I got in this one, I'm a Michael Kors heels, Michael Kors sandals, 2 pairs of Vince Camuto sandals in there. What is it? I can't even see in there. We got some more Michael Kors and Burberry and these things. So can't really see in them, but I know what's in there. I should put a label or something in there. But that's it for this closet, you guys. The next thing is gonna be under my bathroom counter. It's kind of sort of organized, but not really. I went to Walmart today to get more clear bins. However, they didn't have the ones I wanted. And most of the stuff that's in here, this drawer ain't been opened in a long time, so it's getting thrown away. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to either Jack in the Box or Sonic to get something to eat. I'm tired. I basically worked all day. I'm tired. And then when I finish working, I finish my closet up, which is what you guys saw. So I'm not cooking anything today. We're gonna go to Sonic make burger instead of jack out box burger. I don't know. But that's what we're going to go do now. And yeah, I think this is going to be the end of it for real this time. For real.